long and flexible tissues. So muscle tissues are long and flexible tissues, which is also referred to as a muscle fiber. इसको muscle fiber भी कहते हैं. This is a muscle fiber. Now they are having the different structures on the basis of the presence of the striation on them. They are divided, or they are found in the different according to the location, according to the different appearance. They are having the different types. So let's start with the types of muscular tissue. So there are three types of muscular tissue. One is skeletal. Second one is smooth muscles, and third one is cardiac muscles. So skeletal muscles जो है, this skeletal muscles, these are directly attached with the skeletal bone, जो skeletal bone से attach होते हैं. So these skeletal muscles are also called as striated muscles. Why? Because they have a striation on them. Striated or striped muscles. So on the basis of appearance, के हिसाब से ये striated muscles कहलाते हैं. Then it's called as a striped muscles. Then this is called as a smooth muscles. And here smooth, or we can say non-striated, this will call as a, this is also coming to the category striated one, but it is the specific, that is, it is the cardiac. Okay, इसके लिए हम word striated ज़्यादा यूज नहीं करते हैं, though it has a striation on them. After this skeletal muscles, they are, or the different this muscles, they are their functions. जैसे skeletal muscle जो होते हैं, जो bone के साथ attached हैं, their functions can be able to regulate by us. मतलब हमारे wish के हिसाब से we can do that function. So this skeletal muscles, on the basis of their function के हिसाब से they are referred to as a voluntary muscles. Okay, they are the voluntary muscle tissues.
Non-voluntary.
This one, the smooth muscle tissues, are mostly found in the region where it is not at all volunteer. वो हमारे wish के हिसाब से नहीं चलता, तो इसे क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? Non-voluntary. So it is non-voluntary muscles. Now cardiac muscles जो है, so cardiac muscles are found in heart. That function as well as they are also not able to volunteer by us. मतलब हम हमारे heart को, हमारे heart we cannot control the activity of heart, right? So it is also called as non-voluntary. So it is non-voluntary muscles. Okay. Now let's see the structure of this. They are long, cylindrical. जो skeletal muscles हैं, they are the long one, and cylindrical cells. Cylindrical होते हैं. While the smooth muscles, it is
tapering end.
उसकी जो end होते हैं वो tapering होते हैं. So this is the tapering end, having the central nuclei. So it is tapering end. Okay. So we can find, and over here this will be also a cylindrical one,
but branch.
It has branch. में क्या present होता है? Branch present होता है. So it is branched. So over here let's see the detailed structure. Why they are called as a striated one? Because they are having the muscles arrangement. जो इनके ऊपर जो arrangement है muscles की, they appeared as a light and dark band. So यहाँ पे ये dark band हो गया, center light band, dark band, light band, dark band, like that. Or the nucleus are more in number. They are multinucleated. So over here you can see this is most probably found nearby the bases. जो base present है वहाँ पे nucleus present है. It is nucleus, this is striation, or you can say that band. Okay, it is called as a band. See, this one is appear dark color band. तो जो dark color band है, it is called as a band, which is dark. And here, यहाँ पे जो blank आपको दिख रहा है, that blank is very light. It is referred to as, उसको हमें band लेना है, that is called as a I band, which is light. वो क्या है? Light color band. तो क्या दिखेगा? जैसे black and white होता है, dark and light, dark and light. So like that, the striations appear on them. Okay. Now over here, the smooth muscles. So smooth muscles में it's only nucleus. There is no striation. वो uninucleated होता है. Then it is unbranched. Okay, uninucleated or unbranched. Well, if we move to the cardiac muscles में here also the bands are there. Light and dark bands can be seen. Here, the bands can be seen over here. But the difference, if you see over here, between the striated muscles and this muscles, तो इनके बीच में जो न्यूक्लियस होते हैं, तो that is mostly the uninucleated cells are there. और single nucleated cells आपको देखने को मिलेंगे. So here it is uninucleated. Okay, this is striated, striation. Over here, this condition is called as a branched. Correct? It is called as a branch one. अब हम देखेंगे कार्डियक मसल्स जो है, if you compare this, तो दोनों के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स कार्डियक मसल के अंदर देखने को मिल रहे हैं कि यूनिन्यूक्लिएटेड है, यूनिन्यूक्लियस स्मूथ मसल्स है, स्ट्राइएशंस है, तो स्ट्राइएशंस इसके स्ट्राइएशंस प्रेजेंट होते हैं, राइट? ओके, ओवर हियर दिस इज द प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन. कोई भी सेल होता है तो सेल की आउटर मोस्ट बाउंड्रीज को क्या कहते हैं? प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन कहते हैं, राइट? तो ये जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन है मसल फाइबर वाली, उसको क्या कहा जाता है? इट इज कॉल्ड एज अ सार्कोलेमा. क्या कहेंगे उसे? सार्कोलेमा कहेंगे. जो प्लाज्मा मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ मसल फाइबर है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ सार्कोलेमा. और द बैंड व्हिच इज हियर, और स्ट्राइएशन व्हिच इज गिवन ओवर हियर, ए बैंड और आई बैंड. तो ये पूरा जो ए बैंड और आई बैंड के बीच का जो पूरा सेंट्रल लेयर होता है,
सार्कोमियर,
राइट, इट इज रिफर्ड टू एज सार्कोमियर, राइट? It is called as a structural
functional unit of
and functional unit of muscle fiber. जो muscle fiber है उसका structural and functional unit कहलाएगा, ठीक है? And it is very much flexible. जो flexibility है, हम अपने muscles को move कर सकते हैं, तो that is due to this only, right? They are having the muscle fibers. Sarcomere में जो muscle fibers present है वो कौन से हैं? That is the two types of muscle
Actin and
fibers are
myosin.
there, actin and
myosin.
So actin and myosin fibers are present in the sarcomere, which is providing the flexibility and the movement of the muscles. Okay, so this is about skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscles. These skeletal muscles are where they are mostly found. So they are found in the which are attached with the bone directly. जो bones के साथ attach होते हैं, तो biceps से triceps से, in that they are present. You can mention over here जो skeletal muscle है. Okay, fine. First you write it this, then I'll mention it over there. So over here जो skeletal muscles है, I have written over here. It is attached with this skeletal bones. तो bones के साथ जितने भी muscles सारे attach होंगे हमारी body के अंदर, so they are present in the skeleton. तो biceps से, triceps से, you can name it, right? Then after that, smooth muscles. Smooth muscles are present in the visceral organ. Visceral organ का मतलब होता है जो internal organ है, which is hollow organ. In that hollow organ it is present. जैसे small intestine है and stomach. So this muscles, इसका organ के हिसाब से भी इसको visceral muscles भी कहे जाते हैं. It is also called as a visceral muscles. So you can see the different name muscles. As well as the last one, it is cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles is only found in heart, which is having the capacity of contraction and relaxation. So functions में हम लिख सकते हैं कि they are involved in the contraction and relaxation. Smooth muscles are also involved in the contraction and relaxation. Here smooth muscles are involved in peristaltic movement. This word will come when we discuss the digestive system. So peristaltic movement and skeletal muscles will be helpful for locomotion. So it helps in skeletal muscles are helping in locomotion of organism. So individual के अंदर ये skeletal muscles present है, which is involved for the locomotion of organism. It is helping in that. So over here muscular tissues is that.